In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to build a marketing funnel for your own funnel business. So if you're looking to attract more leads and sales to your funnel agency, or if you're looking to be more effective with your time management and productivity, I want to talk about how to build a marketing funnel that's going to drive leads and sales for your marketing agency that I've learned the hard way. Hey there, funnel builders. Mike Killen here from Sell Your Service. If you are a funnel builder and you're not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button because I produce new videos like this every single week, helping funnel builders like you with your self-confidence and your sales. The big problem that all businesses face, and funnel builders aren't immune to this, is how do we generate new leads for our business? And of course, how do we generate more sales? A lot of funnel agencies struggle with generating leads for their own business, even though they're able to do it for their customers. And I think this is because we often get confused about who we're selling to. A lot of funnel businesses and funnel agencies will make the mistake of going out and buying new expensive funnel software. I've made this mistake, so I've got to hold my hands up and say I've done exactly the same thing. But the solution to generating more leads and sales for your business is not in buying new funnel software. It's by actually looking at your own client attraction and conversion process. Just quickly before we go on, if you want an action plan for your funnel business, I've got a completely bespoke report available for you telling you exactly what you need to focus on next. It's a free report that you can download in the link below, or if you head to sellyourservice.co.uk/focus, you can get a bespoke action plan sent straight to your inbox telling you exactly what you need to focus on with your funnel business. But in the meantime, let's talk about how you can generate more leads and sales for your business by building a funnel for your marketing business. I think the first thing that's important to point out is that you don't need to worry about traffic. Most businesses think that they need to generate more traffic to their website in order to start increasing sales. And while more traffic to your website does of course equal sales, don't fall into the same trap that your customers are falling into, thinking that more traffic is going to solve all your problems. We can generate more traffic to your website relatively easily now and cheaply by just investing a little bit of time in Facebook ads. So I don't want you to worry too much about what traffic you're driving to your site, because the rest of this video is going to show you the things that you need to have on your site in order to make the most of any traffic that does come to your website. Instead, what I think we need to focus on is leads and appointments. Rather than thinking about how many people visit the site, I want to increase the number of people who get in contact with you or demonstrate that they want to work with you, and increase the number of calls and appointments that you're having with potential customers and leads and prospects. So the first thing I want to suggest is have a free offer. I cannot believe the amount of funnel businesses and marketing agencies that I work with that don't have some kind of free offer on their website. Bit of a pro tip, offering a free 15-minute strategy call or session like that isn't going to cut the mustard. Most people don't want to sign up for free for a call that they've got a book in advance and spend 15 minutes listening to. What people want is a problem solved immediately. They want to fix something now. And while webinars and live events and strategy calls can work slightly later on in the process, a really easy way to start increasing the number of leads that you've got is by offering an extremely low risk, easy to consume and quick to consume piece of content like a lead magnet. I like to give away templates and PDFs. Don't worry about giving away the whole farm. You don't have to write a huge ebook or have a massive training program. Just give away something that solves a problem immediately that's hyper specific. The reason this works is twofold. First of all, any traffic that does come to the website is going to be given the chance to opt in and get this. They'll be asked to download this particular PDF or report or template or whatever. And that's a really good thing to capitalize on the traffic that's coming to your website. The second thing that this allows you to do is anyone you meet in real life, whenever we're allowed to get back to that, if the conversation is moving well, you can always just say to them, head to website.com/free and you can download our free template and I'll get in contact with you later. One of the biggest advantages that you can have for your business is an ability for people to get in contact with you and to start that lead generation process without you having to go through that manually. The second thing that I'd really like you to put on your website is a checkout page. This might sound a bit bizarre, especially if you're a service industry industry that hasn't really got products yet, having some kind of checkout page is extremely important to the efficiency of your business. First of all, it allows you to eliminate any resistance or friction between generating revenue. The question needs to be asked, can someone pay you online? Can someone pay you easily? The number one rule of sales is make it as easy as possible for the customer to give you money. I've heard of agencies struggling in the past to collect payments from their customers because they have to do bank transfers and BACS transfers and PayPals and all this kind of stuff. Whereas if you just have a really basic checkout page that's able to take payments, what you can do is put in an amount selector where they can choose how much they want to pay you. So if you go to sellyourservice.co.uk/balance, you can see I've got a really basic checkout form. If people have consulting or private coaching or whatever, they can head to that page and pay me without me having to run around and create invoices and payment transfers and things like this. Even without a product, you need to make it as easy as possible to take payments from the customer. This is also really powerful when you do have kind of products and you've got like a paid 45-minute session or maybe a 2-hour strategy session or a workshop or something, and you have those set up as checkout pages on your website. It means you can just send them the link, website.com/workshop, and they can pay you there and then. So many businesses rely on old school bank transactions and things, and to me it just doesn't make sense. We've got so many ways of generating revenue from the customer. I want to get paid as soon as possible, even before I've delivered the work. So make sure that you have an area on your website where people can pay you for your services. And the third and final thing, and this might sound super obvious, is start collecting leads from people via pop-ups. Website designers and agencies and digital marketers and stuff seem to turn their noses up at pop-ups, but the reality is if it's converting at somewhere between 2 and 4%, which ours do, you could be turning 4 people from every 100 into a lead. We might think they're annoying, but when the offer is really good and really strong and really compelling, you do get people opt into them. And for the sake of having 96 people ignore you, but 4 of them becoming potential leads, that's a statistic that I'm not willing to ignore. Every little helps. Unless you are open to generating leads from your website's never going to do it magically for you. It's a fantastic way of testing the different types of offers and messages and products that customers want. It's also a really good way of seeing, do you understand the problem that they want to solve? Get over the nonsensical, I don't like pop-ups, I think they're ugly, people think they're annoying. Get over all of that, because as soon as they start generating leads for your business, those are contact details for people you can start calling up and start generating appointments with. So those are the 3 things that I would do on every single funnel builder's own website if you are selling marketing funnels as a service. First of all, make sure you've got some kind of free offer. Secondly, make sure you've got an area for people to pay you on your own website. And thirdly, use some kind of pop-up. I use Opt-in Monster, but most page builders have something like that built in now. There's loads of different options available. And a very bizarre thing happens that as soon as you say to the world and to the universe and to the internet, hey, I am able to generate as many leads as I need, you start increasing the number of leads that you generate. If you would like a completely bespoke and custom action plan just for your funnel business, I've got a bespoke report that you can download below. It's sellyourservice.co.uk/focus. Just fill in the assessment and it will give you a custom step-by-step action plan specific for your funnel business. You can use the link below or head to sellyourservice.co.uk/focus. If you are a funnel builder, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I produce new videos like this every single week, helping funnel builders like you increase your confidence, and you'll get notified. And make sure you click the little bell icon as well to be notified when I produce new videos. I've actually got another video here if you want to learn more about how to get a VA to build your marketing funnels for you. So if you want to go over who to hire, how to hire them, and how to get a VA to do your marketing funnels for you, as well as the common mistake that I see people make, go ahead and click this video and I will show you how to get a VA to do your marketing funnels for you. In the meantime, guys, thank you very much for hanging out with me. I'll see you on the next video. Have courage, commit, and take action.